viewers.
A very good afternoon to one and all present here. First of all, I would like to wish all the teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. Teachers are actually the backbones of any nation, and I myself being in a teaching profession, I know the value of my profession, and I have a lot of respect to teachers because right from my grandmother, who was a teacher and later she was a headmistress, and in her times, it was a very big achievement to become a headmistress. In those times, education for women was such a big thing, and passing all the difficulties, she became a teacher, and she motivated many of our family members to enter the education field and serve the society. And in this way, I have that upbringing in me to become a helping hand for the society, teaching morality for the students. And so all the teachers are doing the same, and I'm very proud. At the same time, I have a lot of respect to the education field because it is the teachers who develop a society, who create or we can say who give a nice shape to the children who will be later the citizens of the country. As you all know that we are gathered here for the inauguration of the interactive display panel. Because I feel that because of these interactive panels, the teaching becomes easier because a lot of things which we teach through books, we can teach them using the facility of using the technology, and it becomes easier for the students to understand. I have taken the demo of the interactive smart classroom at many places, and I have been, when I was teaching, it was an ease for me, a relaxation somewhere that my efforts which I put to explain something becomes easier by the means of pictures, videos, etc. So I hope this will help you as well and make your work easier. So saying this, I conclude my words. Thank you.
Thank you, madam, for your encouraging words. I would like to request our headmaster to give a token of love and appreciation to our chairperson, our chief guest, Madam Neha Gawas. I would now like to request Advocate Shailesh Gawas to say a few words.
Good afternoon, teachers, father, and every press brothers present here. Actually, Sarvantvedi is Teachers' Day, so I should wish all the teachers because you are, whatever effort you are taking to grow our country that we cannot count. Thank you so much for that. And especially I will say, we reach here in South Goa. Actually, I am from North. I am from Old Goa. We reach here because of Sister Marlin. Sister Marlin from here. She runs a noble trust and she is in our contact. So she requested me. We have a good school here and they are really wanting the smart board. Actually, our motive is to provide education of modern. I will explain how. आज आम्ही पळयता प्रायव्हेट स्कुलांनी हे मॉडर्न टेक्नॉलॉजी गावता. But what about poor students? Nobody thinks about them. So what we think that they should also become something in their life with help of you all teachers, with help of Father. Like when I've spoken, actually I'm speaking to him for the first time. But the thoughts what he had, that will create some good energy in students. And I am very much sure, yes, स्कुलाची भुरगीं व्हडली जावन डॉक्टर, इंजिनियर्स, एडवोकेट ह्या प्रोफेशनलांनी वयतली बिकॉज ऑफ यू टीचर्स एंड गुड थॉट्स ऑफ फादर. हांव चड काय उलयना. आय एम रियली थँकिंग सिस्टर मार्लिन. Because of her we are here to support this school. One more thing I will say, we will try to donate more 2 or 3 boards so that this education will continue. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring words. I request our assistant headmistress to kindly hand over a token of love and appreciation to Advocate Shailesh Gawas. I now would like to request our manager, Reverend Father Gabriel Coutinho, to say a few words.
Good afternoon to all present here today. Respected Madam Neha Gawas, charitable chairperson of late A.V. Vasant Villas Gawas Charitable Trust, Advocate Shailesh Gawas, Headmaster Samanyu, Madam Cynthia, my dear teachers, and my dear brothers and sisters who are gathered here. In fact, I have no words to say thanks to Gawas family. I can say this from the depths of my heart because it was my dream always to give better education. I need better technology because we are in the technological world. And to gather money, it is so difficult, especially from our parents, because all of them are poor and coming from a labor class. And it is, as I spoke to Sister Marlin one day, she possibly kept it in her mind and she spoke to Advocate Gawas. And today it becomes a reality. I think when good thoughts, good vision, God always tries to fulfill it. And I can very well say today, being a Teacher's Day, that Mr. Gawas has no ulterior motives. If he had ulterior motives, he could have put it in the area where he is staying. But he has come down south. This itself shows how magnanimous is his act and how profound as far as putting into practice the thoughts, the noble vision that he has got of reaching out to the poor wherever technology they cannot afford, students wherever technology they cannot afford. When I spoke to him about, I'm putting it in a place where everybody can access, he said, Father, put it down. Then I told him that we'll need another 3 or 4 more. He said, we will try to give you more. That itself is also quite encouraging and motivating. So that's why I say, sir, I have no words to thank you, and especially our school will be always in gratitude to you, because from this level you have taken us to next level already. And I can visualize with this new age, our teachers will reach out, and the teaching learning process in our school will be very effective and very efficient. And also building the life skills of our students and making them technology savvy, not only save time and teach them more things, because sometimes when we use such things, then children can understand better, and the time that is saved can be used, and this same panel being interactive can be used for so many other things. There's multiple use of this interactive panel. So madam, we also are grateful to your trust and to you very especially. And as we are celebrating the Teachers' Day, I know our teachers are quite energetic and they have the power, and they are definitely with the little means that they had, were you making use of it. We had with their laptops and all that stuff, but now they have greater means, and I'm sure they will definitely ignite our students' life with knowledge and with wisdom. I thank all those who are present here in a very special way. Within a short period of time, we just spoke yesterday, and since today is Teachers' Day, we thought of having it today. It is a very important day for all of us, and it is a memorable day also, so that we can always remember that this day we had a special function on this day and had the digital programs. I also thank Sister Mani for keeping in mind our thoughts, in her thoughts, so that we could be helped in some way or the other. I once again thank all the people, especially the press who is here present, who have come all the way with so much of love. Thank you, and I know may Our Lady of the Rosary bless all of you, the trusted people, the teachers, as well as the press people. Thank you, and God bless.
Thank you, Father. I now request our chief guest, Madam Neha Gawas, Advocate Shailesh Gawas, Headmaster, Manager, and Headmistress, to kindly inaugurate the interactive board. I also request the 10th standard teachers.
Don't announce it. Right, sir.
तो बाइट
what a wonderful demonstration. I can see the lovely smiles of our lovely teachers. So I would like to request Madam to kindly take your seats. Well, we all are excited to explore the new interactive board. From tomorrow onwards, I feel all the we are on a break. Soon after we come from the break, the first thing that will be done will be exploration of the interactive board. Yes, teachers?
Yes.
I think so it should be a bit louder. Yes?
Yes.
Well, before we conclude, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to each one of you present over here. And to do the honors, I would like to request our assistant headmistress to propose the vote of thanks.
Good day to everyone present here. On behalf of Rosary High School, Navelim, I formally thank the Vasanti Vithu Gawas Charitable Trust, Old Goa. We are indebted to what you all have done for us. And to tell you all, it was our manager's dream which has come true, one of his dreams. And we are truly indebted for whatever things that you all have done for us, and in future we look forward for further cooperation. It was an amazing thing, a wonderful thing that occurred to us yesterday, and we are truly grateful, and in gratitude we say thank you to the charitable trust, that is Vasanti Vithu Gawas Charitable Trust, and all trustees of this charitable trust. Thank you. We will keep you in prayers. God bless you all.
Thank you, Madam Cynthia.
I just wanted to announce one thing that soon after the Ganesh Chaturthi vacations are over, we will install one more panel in some other classroom. So, thank you.
Thank you, Madam. I would like to request our manager, Reverend Father Gabriel, to kindly hand over the token to Madam Neha Gawas. Thank you, everyone.
मॅडम आज तुम्ही नावेली येयली आणि टिचर्स डेच्या हितून आज तुम्ही आणि एक तांकां एक गणेश चतुर्थीचे फेस्टिवल नंतर दिता त्या बद्दल सांगा.
Can you repeat the question?
आज टिचर्स डेक तुम्ही येदी व्हडली भुरग्यांक गिफ्ट दिलेली आहे त्या बद्दल
आम्ही केन्ना आतापर्यंत आम्ही प्रायमरी स्कुलान स्मार्ट इंटरॅक्टिव्ह स्मार्ट पॅनल्स इन्स्टॉल केल्ले आसा, पूण आमी केन्ना हायस्कुलाक पावले ना. सो दीस इज द फर्स्ट हाय स्कूल दॅट टू इन साऊथ गोवा, एंड आय एम व्हेरी मच thankful to one of our well-wishers, Sister Maria. Because of her, we could reach to the school, आणि आम्ही हांगा आयज इन्स्टॉल केल्ले आसा.
दुसरी गजाल अशी आसा की मोस्ट ऑफ द टायम पॉलिटिकल म्हणजे समाजकार्य जेन्ना करता तेन्ना ऑलवेज एक टॅग लागता की पॉलिटिकल इंटेन्शन कितें तरी आहा म्हणून काय समाजकार्य चलता. बट नाव यू आर फ्रॉम नॉर्थ गोवा कमिंग डावन ऑल द वे टू सावथ. सो तुमचो उद्देश कितें आहा? वॉट इज द विजन?
आमी केन्नाय खंयच्या अशा एरियाक अशें डिस्क्रिमिनेट बी अशें केन्ना करूंक ना. यू मस्ट हॅव सीन आर अर्लियर इनिशिएटिव्स ऑल्सो. फॉर एक्झाम्पल से द इनिशिएटिव्स वीच वी हॅड टेकन फॉर द पुलीस डिपार्टमेंट, तेन्ना सुद्दां आमी सगळ्या नॉर्थ एज वेल एज साऊथ गोवाच्या सगळ्या पुलीस स्टेशनाक आमी मॅट्रेसीस आनी बेडशीट्स बी पावयलेले. सो वी हॅड नो पॉलिटिकल इंटेन्शन्स अँड यू कॅन जस्ट एक लॉजीक आसता न्ही, लोकांक ते समजूंक जाय. 2 इलेक्शनां जालीं, ते 2 इलेक्शनाच्या पयलींच्यान आमी हे सोशल वर्क करता. दीस इज नॉट समथींग न्यू फॉर अस. सो ते मातशें लोकांनी समजून घेवंक जाय दॅट वी आर डुईंग सोशल वर्क अँड दीस इज अ चॅरिटेबल ट्रस्ट अँड आर इंटेन्शन इज टू हेल्प पीपल इन सम ऑर द अदर वे विच इज पॉसिबल बाय अस.
Okay. Now you are totally trying to modernize the new education and implement in the school. That's why you are donating this smart board. तुमकां कितें दिसता की भुरग्यांचेर कितको इम्पॅक्ट पडटलो हेजो एज्युकेशनाचेर? कसो सायकोलॉजिकली कसो इम्पॅक्ट पडटा?
तुमी सगळे जाणा आयज काल भुरगीं स्मार्टफोन्स यूज करतात, right? So when they're using smartphones, they understand many things by watching the videos on the sources like YouTube and all. So in the same way, interactive smart panels जे असतात तेतून टीचिंग मेथड जे असतात ते मातशे डिफरंट जातात अँड इट इज इजियर देन वॉट दे लर्न थ्रू बुक्स. So in this way, it is very much important nowadays to make the use of technology in the field of education.
ओके, थँक्यू.
मॅडम आयज टिचर्स डे आसा सो तुम्ही टिचर आसतात ऑल टिचर्स डे एज अ टीचर मेसेज टू द यूथ.
Message to the youth. पयलीं हांव एक धाकटेशें मॅसेज भुरग्यांक दिवंक शकता जे स्कुलांनी शिकता दॅट when you learn, when you study at some school, you just don't study through books. The knowledge what you are receiving, that should be used for your future also, in the way you lead life. So त्या लायफान मॉरली ते एज्युकेशन यूज करपाक जाय. हे मॅसेज हांव तांकां दिवंक शकता. अँड द यूथ who have already completed their education and all, they should see that they will use their education in the right way and to develop themselves as well as the society.
फादर, आज टिचर्स डेचे हितून आज इतके बरें काम केलेलें आहे आमच्यांनी, त्याबद्दल 2 उतरां उलया.
जशें हांवें म्हणा की म्हज्यानी तांचे उपकार आठोवंक जायना. पयले अशें म्हळ्यार अशें की हांव हें सदांच चिंत्तालो आनी म्हजे कडेन घडचें नासलेंच. 1-3-4 वर्सां पर्यंत घडचेंच नासलें इतले पयशे एकठांय करून. ताणें धपक्याकूच म्हाका हेल्प केलो आनी हें दाखयता की ती समाज सेवक तांकां CSR तांचो समाज बरो जावं. जायते फावटी अशें जाता की आमकां आमचे कडेन इस्कॉलांत खूब आहात पूण पयशांचे आडकोडीक लागून फाटीं उरतात. जरी सरकाराची मदत मेळटा ती मदत आमकां पावना आनी सरकाराक तर आमी सांगलेंय जाल्यार आतां आधुनीक काळांत खूब इस्कॉलांत प्रश्न कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट टिचर आसात, टिचरांनी सारके जावं जायना आनी जायते फावटी अशें कांय आमकां फावो ते भाशेन सवलतीय बी मेळना, अंतर करतात. म्हणटच हे बाबतींत जेन्ना अशे मनीस फुडें सरतात आपूण म्हाका जाल्यार दिसता आनी कसलीच अंतर करूंक ना, कित्याक ते नॉर्थासून सावथाक येयल्या आनी आमचे इस्कॉल विचून काडला. अशें कसलीच ताणें मनशापणाची उदरगत करून चिंतल्या. धर्मा बाबतींत कांय चिंतू ना पूण मनशापणाची उदरगत हें हो मोठो हावेस आनी मोठो जिविताचो मुद्दो. आनी हेंच जावन आसा शिक्षण मनशापणाची उदरगत म्हणजे काळजा मनाची उदरगत. न्हय दुस्पोट घालपाची एका तें शिक्षण न्हय. शिक्षण म्हणटा तें आनी असलें शिक्षण करून आमी पावल फुडें मारतात. ताणें आमकां आदार केलो तर आमी तांचे खूब उपकारी जावं.
थँक्यू.
Try to